After a couple of days, the rag is disgusting, but when it's camping, this is nothing. A bit of garlic, onion, cook it with this, and then with the rest. Should make it. Boogie, let's go fish. Let's go fish. Now we're heading up to Aussie Pie, the famous left wave nice barrel. Very known on the surfing world. Yeah, this is Aussie Pie. This is the famous barrel, black rock. Here is the best spot for abalone, but it must be low tide and low swell. Right now it's pretty rough. Guys, right there. Yes, he's already crazy to jump in the water. Boogie! So we were gonna give it a go here. So the place that I caught the lobster was right there, not too far from here. So let's see if we got lucky here as well, fishing. First lure I'll give it a go is this one. It's my favorite. I used to catch a lot of salmons, kings and tailors here. So not exactly in this spot, but in Wreck Bay then. So this one here. Wow, I didn't have lucky here. And I lost my favorite lure. That's the way this is fishing. So yeah, so I'm gonna head up to the other side of this hill where it's windy, but it seems to be a good spot for fishing. So let's see if I have luck there. So anyway. I'm gonna try here on this side. This is a really good spot, but the day is kind of weird. It's windy, cloudy, choppy water, but I'll give it a go anyway. This time I'm gonna use the lure that my good friend Salova taught me to use. So, silicone fish. Let's see how I go. Hey Boogie, weekend was perfect, eh? Let's sing a little bit. Good boy, it's a good boy, good boy, it's a good boy. Subscribe and don't forget, enjoy life. Okay, so I'm gonna start the fire for the slow cooking ribs for my curry friends. They're coming along late this afternoon. So many people start the fire using rod fire, the fire rods, whatever, magnesium bars. It's nice, it's beautiful, it's romantic to start a fire with this, and believe me, I can do it. But if I have enough room to carry that thing, I can carry a Zippo and I cannot fuel, right? So let's use the Zippo. As everybody knows, Australia have a very big issue with fire. So that's why I have to use this pit. I'd love to make the fire on the ground, but this is safer and I'm not breaking any rules in this national park. So, and also I don't want to upset my friends. Yeah, it's gonna be good. So I got this, I welded 4 bolts, and I've got a metal frame to fit it in and put my skewers and grill on top of the fire. So let's marinate. Don't forget to marinate the chef as well. So yes, I brought a Cabernet Merlot, and I will also put a little bit of wine in the meat as well. So only rocks out. Yeah, I need to wet it because otherwise the salt wouldn't stick onto it. There you go. Now I'm talking. Side. And the bones, the salt doesn't stick anyway, but a little bit. It'll be fine. It wouldn't hurt. But yeah, top here, plenty of salt. And that's the thing. Before you serve it, we heat the excess. I better put some more wood. Now the lamb shoulder. Got the remaining salt, bit of water. In here, I'm gonna use a little bit of black pepper, chili flakes. Bit more. There we go. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. I love this. And this shoulder. Looks who is really tired now. Hey Boogie. Yeah? You run and swim a lot, isn't it? Feels good, eh? Hey buddy. Good boy. You good boy. You good boy. Got a big bone for you. Here. It's gonna be 8 hours cooking beef ribs. The appetizer already gone. And I still have some on the bone, which is the best part. It's a lamb shoulder. Hey Boogie, how was that bone? Any good? Let's start with this half. I already hit off the excess of the salt. And so let's see how it's tasty, because it's looking amazingly good. My God, wow, look at that. Ooh, it was 12 hours cooking. Okay, let's cut up this one. Oh gosh, it's melting. Look at that. Woo. Okay, let's have a taste right here. Well. Let's see. I can't describe. So soft. Oh my God. It's unbelievable. Supimpa. Time to go home. Pack up. Guess what? Boogie didn't even touch his food. So yeah, I know, right? So many food around. Lamb shoulder bones, beef ribs, pizza. Yeah, he loves it. Anyway, say bye-bye to your friends. See you next adventure. Bush Kludge. Here we go. Bush Kludge. Hey, Bush Kludge.